something will go wrong. Okay, so I just came to share how I overcame fear, okay, of pregnancy, the fear of being pregnant. Yes. So as a young lady, okay, I remember when I started my menses, I used to have this pain, this menorrhea, so pain during menstruation, and it could be intense at a point. So my mom was like, even menses and it's painful like this, and I'm wondering how your pregnancy is going to be, and it's going to, sometimes our moms or people, society makes it to look like once you had like dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, that kind of thing, then it's going to carry on to your pregnancy. And so that was the analysis my mother made, or the projection. Okay, so she was like, so it made me alert. Once I got pregnant, I remember the first time I got pregnant, I was like, what am I expecting? I remember when I got married, I waited for about 2 months before finally saying that, okay, so we can get pregnant. Yeah, so the first time I realized that I have missed my period, I was the 1 week passed, I was waiting for all the funny symptoms, nothing was coming. And 2 weeks passed, I was waiting for the funny symptoms, nothing was coming. And I was wondering what is going on. Okay, so all that I want to say is that people are very different. I've seen one person online, thank you, please share the video, invite others to watch. Okay, so I have seen other people online, like our mothers trying to give us all the negative vibes about pregnancy and all that. It is not always true. It is not always true that when you are pregnant, you are going to have all the funny symptoms. Luckily, my story was never what my mother projected. Okay, so if you're out there, maybe you've been wondering, would I be ever able to overcome this pregnancy? Would I ever be able to overcome this pregnancy? Yes, you can be able to overcome the pregnancy. You can get the best outcome of your pregnancy. So you don't always have to listen to the negativity out there. Everybody's story is different, okay? So I had a very different experience. I didn't have, once I eat, once I take care of myself, I did not have all the problems like extreme nausea, extreme vomiting, all the medical problems that comes with pregnancy. I never experienced in any of my 4 pregnancies. Okay, so in this life, I'm going to teach you a lot about myself, a lot about how I navigated all my pregnancies. I'm going to do that. Yes, so I really had a smooth pregnancy throughout my 4 pregnancies. None of them had any serious medical condition, medical risk, and all that. So whatever you hear out there may not be a true reflection of what is going to happen to you. And sometimes even how you prepare your mind will take you through all the whole pregnancy journey. Okay, some people can have certain problems. It all depends on management, psychological preparation, getting the right kind of help. And so if you get the right kind of help, you are psychologically prepared for your pregnancy, you are surely going to get a better experience. Okay, so what everybody experiences is not going to be what you are going to experience. So once I got pregnant, one of the things that I did that made my story very different was learn learn about pregnancy. I'll go on the internet. That is what even made me to become midwife Sally and to be helping women, okay, go through this pregnancy symptoms and all that. And so I learned about pregnancy. I made sure I understood it. I will learn about exercise. I'll learn about nutrition. I'll learn about everything that I needed to learn. Okay, and that made really a huge difference in my life. It really made a very, very huge difference in my life. Okay, so I'd want to encourage everyone out there, don't be afraid of pregnancy. It's a blessing to be pregnant, to have a newborn grow inside of you. So it is about your mindset, it's about how you prepare to face it. Okay, once you prepare, once you learn about it and you get yourself equipped, you get support persons, it is going to be smoother. Okay, so don't be afraid, never be afraid to get pregnant. Okay, by learning, by preparing for it, preparing for the birth, everything is going to be like very, very okay. Everything is going to be very, very okay. Okay, so this is what I'll leave with you today. you can overcome your fears. There's nothing to be scared about. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey. The kicks that a baby will give you, the changes in your body, the new things you'll be experiencing throughout the journey. It's a journey you would love to go through. Okay, and don't leave every moment untapped. And one of the things is that if you want to go through it smoothly, get a birth doula, get a birth coach. I also have a pregnancy class. You can sign up for our class, because when you are guided, it reduces your anxiety level, your tensions. Most often, because you don't even know what to expect. That is what is making all the anxiety, all the problems. Things are happening, you don't know what to do. Okay, so get a birth coach, learn about it yourself, get people to support you, tell yourself you're going to enjoy the pregnancy and your experience is going to be different. There is no need, you do not need to fear pregnancy in any way. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. My name is Midwife Sally. Have a great day. Bye.